The Indian Coast Guard has signed a memorandum of understanding with Hindalco Industries Limited to strengthen the domestic supply of marine-grade aluminium for shipbuilding. Bengaluru-based Vishwatronix has successfully tested its remote weapon mount, integrated with Mahindra's Armado light specialist vehicle. Delhi-based Garg Defense has successfully tested its swarm drones under high altitude and extreme wind conditions. IdeaForge is expanding into the combat UAV segment, showcasing concepts including fixed-wing surveillance strike UAVs and vehicle-mounted launch systems in a presentation for potential partners. Rfly Innovations has emerged as L1 bidder for the Indian Army's 7 crore rupees procurement of 36 Rfly Pro X2 UAVs for day and night battlefield surveillance. Tata Advanced Systems Limited has completed final flight testing of its medium-altitude long-endurance UAV, based on converted Crore G180 jet airframe, strengthening its bid for India's tri-service procurement of 87 indigenous drones worth around 30,000 crore rupees. The Indian Army is expected to sign a 5,000 crore rupees follow-on order for 300 additional Dhanush 155mm 45 caliber howitzers before March 2027, raising its total inventory to over 400 guns. Tonbo Imaging's WaveStrike high-power microwave-directed energy weapon is undergoing trials and prototype deployments, with induction expected by late 2026. The indigenous system is designed to counter drone swarms and electronic threats by using concentrated microwave energy to disable hostile electronics, providing a reusable alternative to conventional missile-based air defense. After becoming the first international customer of India's BrahMos missile system, the Philippines is considering a major expansion of its coastal defense capability. Reports indicate that the Philippine Army could eventually procure up to 9 BrahMos coastal missile batteries under its integrated shore-based anti-ship missile system initiative, compared with an earlier plan for 2 batteries. A Hyderabad-based private engineering group has displayed large structural sections, whose geometry appears similar to DRDO's Project Dhvani hypersonic glide vehicle, indicating private sector involvement in manufacturing components for the program. The sections include a wedge-shaped forward body and larger blended wing body structures that represents prototype airframe structures being used for manufacturing validation, assembly trials, and thermal protection system development ahead of flight testing. India and France are in formal talks over jointly developing a 6th-generation fighter jet under the French-led FCAS program, with 2 additional countries potentially joining mainly through funding and cost-sharing. France would retain design leadership, while India could become a major manufacturing partner. The third prospective partner may be from the Middle East, and the fourth from Southeast Asia. India's FCAS participation would run parallel to the indigenous AMCA program, providing a pathway to 6th-generation technologies, while AMCA establishes India's foundational 5th-generation stealth fighter capability. Today's top 3 comments.